Hey YouTube, it's The Real JDoll here on The Real JDoll's channel. As many of you know, I recently received some clip-ins from Betterlength. Love them, but they do not match my natural hair color. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I went from black to this sandy brown color without using any bleach to match my hair color. One of my friends actually introduced this idea to me and I love her for it. Thank you so much. Shout out to you, friend. And without further ado, we're just going to go ahead and get into this video. Okay guys, so when I tell you this is literally the easiest thing you can ever do in life, this is the easiest thing. All you're gonna need is volume developer, a dimming brush, an applicator brush, and a bowl to mix it all in, and some foil, obviously. So my friend told me actually to use 30, but I didn't have 30, you know, so I just mixed my 20 and 40 that I had and made sense in my head, and it worked out pretty good. So that's what I did. The brand that I used was the Superstar. Now you can also use the Davina, the Davana, you know, whatever kind of brand that you like to use, go ahead and use that brand. But from here, all I did was apply it heavily on the back side, the front side, brushed it through with my dimming brush, wrapped it in the foil so that way it was covered all the way. And I did put a couple of my clip-ins in the same foil because who needs to use all that foil? That's wasting money and I'm not about to buy no more foil. So to be cost efficient, I've wrapped about 3 pieces. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, yeah, 3 pieces in 1 piece of foil, and then I let it sit outside for 2 hours. Now that is how I got it to get this color. If you want it lighter, just keep it in the sun longer. The more sunlight that hits the bundles, then the more the more light brown it'll be. But if you don't want it as brown, then I say 2 hours or less, and that's pretty much it. And here are the final results, ladies and gentlemen. Obviously the ones at the bottom are more moist, and the one at the top is the test strip that I tested earlier on in the week. I hope this tutorial was super easy for you to follow. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I can't wait to see you in my next video.